Hey friends, let's jump right into this video, you guys. I am popping on a vpart wig from Alipearl. This is their Kinky Straight in 22 inches. It's been a hot minute, hot minute since I have put on a vpart, you guys, but here we are. So I've already washed her and conditioned her, and this is about 75% dried. I just let it air dry. I've been seeing an influx of vpart units or upart units lately on TikTok and Instagram, especially when they sew the whole thing down. It just reminded me like this is easy. So let's get right into how I got this hair so straight, and more importantly, because I've worked with Kinky Straight hair over and over. Y'all, this product right here has been a favorite of mine for my natural hair, and it's now become a favorite when doing Kinky Straight styles because it gave this wig so much body and shine and everything. So I'm using the Verb hair gloss heat protectant, going in with my Dyson and a big paddle brush, and really kind of taking my time to make sure I get as many of the little crinkles out as I possibly can. I am using high heat and I am kind of pulling on the hair a bit as well. This could have came out a little bit better if the hair was wet, but it was basically like 80% dry at this point, so it's all good. Normally, y'all, I would go in with my BioSilk, but I just wanted to do something different because sometimes using too much of that silicone based or like a BioSilk type of serum for heat protectant can take out the movement in your hair. And so yeah, we just switched it up. We just switched it up with the Verb, and I am loving the results. So like I said, going in with high heat and doing my best to get, for the blow dry, to get it as straight and smooth as possible so that when I do my flat iron, I don't have to do as many passes. So I grabbed my Old Faithful, my good old Remington flat iron. Y'all, this is like $30 on Amazon. Get you one. It makes whenever you have to do full hair like this, it just makes the process go by so much faster. Just using the chase method, and I'm really taking my time so that I only have to do one pass. Now, honestly, as I get closer to the part, like as I go up with flat ironing, I'm gonna end up doing 2 passes to really get this hair as straight and as flat as possible, which is not a big deal, y'all. This is Kinky Straight full hair. The kinks are still gonna stay up in there. It's not like I'm doing multiple passes on my natural hair, to be completely honest with y'all. I am just at this point wanting to get it as straight as possible without doing the most either. Like, I'm not taking forever in a day. I had something to do this evening. My husband was actually not having a good day, so I wanted to take him out, go have some margaritas, and just kind of hang out as a family. So that's what me, Isaiah, and my husband did. And so I just wanted to just look nice, like something simple, quick, and easy. And so yeah, just going through flat ironing this. Y'all can see as we get towards the top, the hair ends up getting straighter and straighter. That's because I did like 2 passes. I didn't do more than 2 passes though per section. Like, let's not get crazy. But y'all are about to see just how shiny, how smooth, just how pretty this hair came out in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look at that, y'all. I was like, okay, like it's got movement and it's nice and flat. And then here's just the hair when the whole head, all the hair has been flat ironed. So y'all, my hair was in a protective style for a good minute and I had not washed it yet. So I just washed my little leave out, and right now I'm adding in my Amika the Wizard. It's a heat protectant and detangling spray. Just, for a little protection going on. All I did was just wash this little section, you guys, because I had so much gunk up in my hair. So this is just my leave out, and then I'm just gonna pop my wig on after I smooth my edges down. You could leave some of your edges out if you wanted to. Look, that wasn't happening with me on this particular day because my whole entire head needed to be washed. Okay, so I just threw it in a ponytail. And y'all, even if your hair is not fine like mine is, my hair is super fine, especially in the front. So I'm just showing you my 2 anchor flat twists. I didn't even braid them like cornrow down. I just did flat twists and then just popped the wig, just popped the V part on the flat twist so that it holds and it's not pulling on your hair. And then you're just gonna secure everything down, and I am like 30 seconds away, actually not 30 seconds, but I am basically almost done with this look, you guys. I'm just gonna add a few layers in and then we'll end up flat ironing my leave out, you guys. But this is a look if you want that sew-in look but don't want to sit there for hours. Just get you a V-part, U-part, get whatever texture you prefer, because this kinky straight should be it. But whatever texture is, you know, to your liking, and have someone sew it down for you and you are good to go. Another thing I want to say, I love that this kinky straight is finally get the recognition that she deserves. Brazilian, all those body waves are kind of taking a back seat lately. That's on my timeline, I should say. I love that the girls, as Black women especially, are starting to really embrace the kinky, you know, straight look, because I think it looks so good, you guys. So if you have not tried it, go for it. All right, y'all. So just doing a finishing touches here. Y'all see I already laid my little edges just a bit, just going in, cleaning up the front of that cut, and then adding in a light oil. Y'all, I have been loving the Olaplex oil for my hair, my wigs. It's just so light, but it gives such a great shine, and you don't need a lot of it. So I would advise you to get some of this, keep it in your stash, never know when you're gonna need it. And then just curling my hair in, because I didn't want the hair to just be completely straight around my face, you know. Fixed my lips and my brows, y'all, and that was basically it for just wearing this hair down. I think this hair just down, just very simple. It's so realistic. It looks so good. Like, I was super happy with this, and I was also happy it didn't take me forever. But you can also pull this hair back really easily. I'm just going to take 2 pieces in the front, tie them at my nape, and then just use my little claw clip, and then just pulled my hair up, you guys. So that's it for this video. Y'all make sure you check the description box. I'll have the direct link to this down there for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.